Okay guys, got another contractor unit. It's a DCU by ARE. It's the 05 to 15 Toyota Tacoma double cab with a 6-foot bed. It's a gray in color, charcoal gray. This one has the full rear doors in the back. You take the tailgate off. It's in pretty decent shape. I've been used, but it's actually in decent shape. Top looks pretty good. There's not a lot of damage on this. It does have some dents here at the front, as you can see there, and then it had probably a beacon or something that was mounted up there that they can then put some bolts with some sealant on there to seal the holes back up where the beacon was at. The charcoal gray paint looks really good. Edges look nice. There's not a lot of damage I'm seeing on this at all. Doors look good. It does have the full door on the side. It's got the T-handle that twists open. Opens up on the side. Allows you to reach into the boxes. Boxes have 4 compartment shelves basically inside it. Doesn't have a lot of use to it inside of this. You don't see a lot of wear marks or stuff was sitting in there, so I'm not really sure how long this one was actually in service. But close the door, you twist the handle, locks it back up again. The front has a picture window with a security screen in it. Also on this side, just really not seeing much damage on paint issues at all. This is really looking good. Sun's definitely shining, so it's a little difficult here. On this side, the paint looks really good. Not seeing any damage. No dents, no dings, no scratches. Same with this bottom edge. It's looking really good. There's not seeing any damage on that as well. All the way down there looks really good. This side also has the T-handle on the side. You twist, open the door up. This one is just open, so this just opens right into the truck bed, so you can lay your gear in there, your tools, levels, whatever you have that needs to go down inside the truck bed. That stuff can go in there. It also has skins on the doors, so the doors are skinned. Basically, if anything falls over there, it keeps the dent on this side and not showing through on the outside. The back has the full tailgate, so basically you take the tailgate off the truck. This goes and replaces the tailgate. Has the double doors. They have windows in them with security mesh on them, so if somebody breaks the glass out, this deters them from reaching through and stealing your tools. Open the door up here. The doors are also skinned on here, so if anything would fall against there, it doesn't dent the outside. Also, the security mesh keeps stuff from going through the glass. If something would fall, it wouldn't break the glass. Skinned on that door as well. Security mesh in the front. Has some wiring in there, probably for the beacon lights that were in there. This one has the prop switch, so when you open this door up, it's designed to turn the dome light on. The toolbox there. Specifically, it was built for a 2014 Toyota Tacoma double cab, the short bed, 20-inch high DCU. Like you can see back here, it had a couple lights that were mounted back there as well that they've taken out and put some sealant in the holes to seal that up. So there it is. It's a cab high DCU contractor unit. Fits the 05 to 15 Toyota Tacoma with the 6-foot bed. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can Click that link, see how much it is, see which location it's at. All that information is on that link below. There's also a link to our website in general. So if you're just looking to, let me get out of this thing. There we go. You're just looking to purchase some repair parts, clamps, tape, seals, stuff like that, bed storage solutions. All that's available through that link down there. As with all our tops, they are local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick them up through the link. You can click on it and see where it's at, contact us to purchase that, and then make arrangements to pick it up at one of our stores. Thanks for watching.